All that cold weather that we've been talking about, it's still in Canada right now, but it's about to get on the move. The strong high that's pushing it south is still way up north of Edmonton and to the east of Anchorage, Alaska. But watch what happens over the next 2 to 3 days. Here comes the cold. It sets up shop on Sunday. And then just as quickly as it comes in next week, we're going to see temperatures rebound back to the 50s. But until that point, we've got a few cold hours ahead, Sunday into Monday. These may not be consecutive hours, but when temperatures fall below freezing as early as Sunday morning, maybe before sunrise around Hamilton and Coleman, we could have 32 to 36 hours near or below 32 from Fayette to Birmingham to Anniston, Talladega, Springville, Gadsden. Some places as many as 32 hours below freezing. And then in the blue here, I think we're probably closer to about 18 to 24 hours sub-freezing. The biggest danger to pipes freezing would be in North Alabama from this. The farther south you go, the less likely that is to be an issue. Here's how that all fits in the 7-day forecast. Yeah, we've changed the numbers on Sunday a little bit, but the actual forecast hasn't changed. We're just adjusting it so that it looks more like what you can really expect. We will have a high in the 40s. That's going to happen before the sun comes up, though. And then watch what happens here Sunday afternoon. Sunday morning, it's 7 a.m. here, 19 as it feels like in Coleman, 28 Bessemer. As the day goes on, it actually gets a little bit worse, if nothing else. 3 o'clock, it feels like 16 in Coleman, 20 in Trussville, 26 Calera, 24 at Forney, and about 29 around Brent in Bibb County. And then early Monday morning, the bottom falls out. We haven't been to the teens in Birmingham since back in mid-February. We're forecasting 18 as the official low at Birmingham Shuttlesworth International, but we could be as low as 12 up at Mentone, 15 around Fayette, 14 Hamilton, 17 Clanton, 19 close to Alex City. So everybody pretty much in that 15 to 20 range, and then a few communities are going to go a little bit lower than that in the north part of the state where we typically do that. But then it warms up pretty quickly following that. And we've got a decent warm up over the next 2 days, too. In fact, we're going to be back in the 60s by tomorrow afternoon. Right now, the view from Birmingham, a mostly clear sky, a few passing high thin clouds around. Been a beautiful sunset. 51 degrees is our current temp. The next 24 hours for us, we're not worried about the cold yet. It'll be chilly in the morning. Yeah, mid-30s, certainly cold. Then we get up to about 62 tomorrow afternoon with a mostly sunny sky. The other issue beyond the cold is how dry this front will be when it comes through. There may be a few isolated showers Saturday night through Sunday morning, and then all of this doesn't represent temperature. It represents desert dry kind of air. We're on the extremely dry end of the scale there, and this goes all the way down into the Gulf, so it essentially shuts down any sort of return flow of moisture over the next few days. So outside of that low chance of some what I would call essentially low to no impact rain, a few spotty showers Saturday night, Sunday morning. There's nothing out there. Monday or Tuesday, there may be a few isolated showers that can form by Wednesday, but looking out 10 days in the future, we're thinking well under an inch of rain, and some places may not even get this. This would be a very average kind of coverage of spotty showers between now and the 21st. Overall, looking like a very dry pattern, a few very cold days, and then we moderate quickly next week with highs back toward 65 a week from today.